So it started blizzarding here in Japan, so I'm gonna go outside in the middle of lunch and look at the snow. I still get weird stares when I do this, but it's alright, they don't know what I'm saying. And they know that I'm a weird American, so it's alright. Oh my goodness. Look at all that snow. Hopefully it comes across in the camera. Here it is. Ah! I don't know if you can see this, but it's a pretty insane amount of snow we're getting. I just got in a snowball fight, impromptu. So, this is pretty exciting. I wish we got snow like this more often back in Tennessee. Yeah, so not much to this video. Just a little bit showing the snow. Hopefully I can have some fun today after class.